Yes, welcome back to Streamlab HQ. Today I'll be showing you one of the most sought after builds of April 2025, and this particular build has so many features that, believe me, you're going to enjoy. So I want you to stick to the very end of the tutorial. It's going to be a quick one, and I'm going to make it to be a step-by-step tutorial, so make sure you don't skip it so you don't miss out on any of the installation steps. So without wasting much of your time, to get started, the first thing you need to do is to click on this gear icon here, and then on this page you're going to look for system settings, and this is it. So I'll click on it, then I'll go to add-ons here. Okay, you can see we have this unknown sources. It's turned off already. You need to turn it on. So I'll click on it to turn it on. They will ask me if I will enable it. Then I'll choose yes. Okay, so after doing that, you go to the previous screen. Then on this page, you're going to open the file manager page. So that will enter the URL for the repository. Okay, well, yes. Then you can see we don't have any source yet, so I'm going to click on add source here. Then I'll click on none. Okay, I want you to make sure you enter this address where I'm going to enter it so that you don't encounter any issues during your own setup. So the repository URL is this. So after entering the URL, you click OK. Then for this media source name, we're going to rename it to let's say Aura. Okay, then after that you click OK, and you click OK again. So you can see we've added it to the media source file manager. So we're going to go. You can see we've added it here. Then we'll go back. You can see we've added it here. So we'll go back. So after adding it, you go back to the previous page. On this page, I'm going to click on add-ons. Then you click install from zip file here. Okay, you can see our media source name here, Aura. So you click on it. Okay, then select this zip file and allow it to install. So while it is installing, guys, if you have not subscribed, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. It's free for you, and it will help me a lot to encourage me to do more of this content. Okay, so we allow it to finish installing. So it has been installed now. Then I'll click on install from repository. Then we select Siemens Wizards repository. Okay, when this page opens, you're going to select program add-ons. Okay, we're going to select this Siemens and SG builds GUI wizard. Okay, and we're going to install this. So click on install here. We're going to allow the download and installation to finish before you can proceed. So the installation and download has been completed. Okay, we're going to click on continue, and I'm going to ignore this for now. So I'll open this and click open it again. Okay, when this page loads, I'm going to choose this build option. Okay, so you can see here's a list of builds, add-ons in this particular build. So I'll look for Aura, and I'll click on it. Then I'll click on fresh install. As you can see, it's actually the latest version. So I'm going to click on fresh install. Yes, I'll click yes here. You can see it's downloading, so I'll pause the video till the download is completed. So the download is completed and it's installing right now, guys. So while it is installing, please, if you encounter any issue during your own installation, I want you to leave a comment in the comment section. And if you are finding this tutorial helpful, I want you to hit that subscribe button. I want you to please hit that subscribe button. At least that's the only way I'm going to see little benefits by making these videos, and I'll be encouraged to do more. So thank you so much. I'll pause the video till the download and installation is completed, so I'll not waste your time. So guys, the installation is completed, and once I click this OK button, the Kodi app will shut down, and once I restart it, our new installed build will be fully active. And so guys, this is the end of the tutorial, and I hope it helps. And if you encounter any issue, like I said earlier, just leave a comment in the comment section, and please, I'm begging, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's free for you and it means a lot for me, and I would appreciate it if you can hit that subscribe button, guys. So I'll see you next weekend. Have a wonderful week ahead, guys. Bye.